Hey fellow shoe creators and innovators, this is Brian Jamison from Brian Jamison Customs. Welcome to my page. Thank you so much for joining me today. If this is your first time ever watching anything on my page, feel free to leave a comment below or anything that you saw, or if you have any questions. Also, don't forget to follow, share, like. All right, let's go ahead and get into it. Today, what we're going to be doing is customizing a pair of all-white classic Van slip-ons. And the particular design that we're going to be doing will be Wonder Woman. So these Wonder Woman shoes have been very popular for me over the last few years. To be honest, they're one of my favorite pair to customize. So if you're ready, sit back and relax, and I hope you enjoy. Alright, so that's it. Start to finish, custom all-white classic Van slip-ons with the Wonder Woman custom design. I hope you all enjoyed it. Once again, if this is your first time ever checking out any videos on my page, feel free to leave any comments below, ask any questions that you might have. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you like the content, and hopefully I'll be coming back soon with some more fresh customs from Brian Jamison Customs.